In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play custom songs in Project Sekai. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The ability to play and make custom songs is not available inside of Colorful Stage or Project Sekai itself. What you need to do is use an external app. As you can see, the external app is called Sonolus, and there is a wiki dedicated to teaching people how to make custom apps. As you can see, look for Sweet Potato Wiki in English on Google, and you will be able to access this page at wiki.purplepalette.net. This is a wiki that is going to teach you how to properly use Sonolus to make your custom apps and play them inside of Project Sekai. By navigating a menu at the left side of the screen, you can find information on what is Sonolus, how to install it for your device, as you can see Android and iOS, and how to properly make the maps. Once you are done, you will be able to play them, and they look identical to the ones that you play inside of Project Sekai. As you can see, if we head over to the Play Charts option, they have videos demonstrating the maps, and they're fully complete maps, and you will be able to customize them to your own liking. Once you are done, like I said, you will be able to play and share them as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to make custom songs in Project Sekai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.